Hi, good evening. Welcome back to Chartings. Now we will see end of the day market report. First we will see how US market performed, then how Asian markets closed, then we will see about our market, then our calls, how it performed today. Lastly we will see how commodities and European markets are trading. First Dow Jones. Dow Jones came close to 140 points and closed at 15,063. Nasdaq gained 46 points and closed at 3,700. Asian markets all gained close to 1.5%. Nikkei gained 218 points and closed at 14,423. Straits Times gained 35 points and closed at 3,123. Shanghai gained 226 points and closed at 22,976. Taiwan gained 16 points and closed at 8,208. Kospi gained 19 points and closed at 1,994. Whereas Shanghai gained 25 points and closed at 2,437. Our market, Nifty, closed at 5,896 and gained close to 3.8%, one of the biggest gain in the past 4 years, almost 216 points. Today it has taken out the 150-day moving average and 200-day moving average of 5834 also. Sensex gained 727 points and closed at 19,997. Today it taken out its 200-day moving average of 19,335. Now we will see in intraday how market performed. Nifty opened with a gap up almost at 5,800. Then it made a high of 5,813 around 925. Then we have started to see some profit booking and we made a low of 5,784 at 945. Here we consolidated and we have seen a big up move towards 5,843, almost at 1025. From 1025 to 12 o'clock we consolidated, then later on we have seen profit booking and we made a low of 5,816. Up to 1 o'clock we have consolidated. From 5,816 we had a very big up move and we moved towards 5,881, close to 230, and we cut even 5,900. We have taken out all kind of resistance today once Nifty moved above its 200-day moving average of 5,834 and we moved towards 5,900 today. The best part today is taking out 200-day moving averages in Nifty. We have rallied close to 554 points for the past 4 days in Nifty. Sensex made a high of 20,012. Nifty made a high of 5,904. Nifty special, it has taken its 50-day moving average of 5,705, 150-day moving average of 5,803 and 200-day moving average of 5,834. All this has been taken out now and all this will be acting as an excellent support here onwards. Now we will see top gainers and losers in Nifty. Tata Motors gained 10%, Ambuja Cements gained 8%, Bharati Airtel gained 7.8%, JP Associates gained close to 7.7%, Hero Honda gained close to 7.4%, whereas Bank of Baroda lost close to 1%, Kane India lost close to 1%, NMDC lost close to 0.9%, IndusInd Bank lost close to 0.9%, and Dr. Reddy's lost close to 0.8%. Outside Nifty, we will see the losers. Orient Refractory lost 7%, Ramco Systems lost 5%, Renaissance Jewellery lost 5%, Gokuldas Exports lost 5%, Elder Pharma lost close to 4.6%, whereas Wockhardt gained 20%, Simplex Infra gained 20%, One Life Capital gained 20%, Alpagio gained 20%, and Pinac Biotech gained close to 20%. Right now, we will see about our calls, how it performed. Today, we have given 3 buy and 3 sell calls, weekly calls. One is Bharti Airtel. It gained close to 11% today. It made a high of 347. Our target is 350 for a week. It gained 11%, given 11% profit. Then we have given Cipla. It made a high of 447, so it also given 2%. And we have given L&T buy with a target of 800 for this week, and today it gained 6% and reached the target also. Next, we have given sell calls for this week: Bank of Baroda, Tata Power and Lupin. Bank of Baroda made a low of 478, giving a gain of 2%, and Lupin made a low of 826 and giving you a gain of close to 2%. Whereas Tata Power short, it has made a high of close to 73.70 and lost close to 3% for the day. Now we will see about commodities. Brent crude is right now trading around $112.18, losing close to $1.54. Gold is trading around 30,906 rupee, losing 634 rupees. Silver is trading at 52,727, losing 1,390 rupees. And natural gas is trading around 229 rupees 60 paisa, losing close to 1 rupee 70 paisa. Today, rupee gained a lot and it closed at 63 rupees 85 paisa against dollar, gaining 139 paisa, whereas euro closed at 84 rupee 52 paisa against rupee, losing 195 paisa. And pound versus rupee gained close to 220 paisa and closed at 100 rupees 17 paisa against pound. European markets are trading in a big green. DAX gained 169 points and closed at 8,445. CAC gained almost 64 points and trading around 4,108. Where FTSE gained 66 points and trading around 6,597. Today there is a big gap up opening, and right now we have came to 5,900. Frankly speaking, this is beyond everyone's expectations. From a low of 5,350, we have rallied to 5,900 in a very short span of time. We have to see that whether we can withstand this kind of up move. Consolidation is more important in this kind of a up move, otherwise we have to see huge volatility in Nifty. Today our calls also did excellently well, both our buy calls and sell calls.